Hey everyone, I'm back with another what I eat in a day video. So I'm going to get some breakfast. Don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but I will see where the day takes me. So for breakfast, I had some of this raspberry so delicious coconut milk yogurt. It's so good. I also put some of this Purely Elizabeth granola on top. This is like the best granola. And I had a banana. So I started out to a light breakfast. I ran some errands afterwards, so I just wanted something quick and simple. For lunch I had a chickpea salad wrap. I diced up half a red pepper, 1/4 of a large red onion, and 4 sweet jergens pickles. I drained and rinsed 1 can of Goya chickpeas, and now I'm just mashing it up with a fork. Now I'm sprinkling on some seasoned pepper and some garlic powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo and 1 tablespoon of mustard, and then I'm going to add everything else in. Now I'm adding the chickpea salad onto some whole grain lavash bread, and I'm just going to add some lettuce to the top. I'm also going to have this with a side of grapes. This was a very easy and simple recipe to make, and also it was delicious. I recommend making this if you miss tuna. It's a great replacement. So for dinner I had a teriyaki bowl. I'm starting out by adding some sea salt, some garlic powder, some chili powder, seasoned pepper and smoked paprika to some potatoes, and then I'm going to roast it in the oven at 425 for about 25 minutes. Now I'm adding some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some sea salt to my Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to roast it in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes. Next, I'm taking a block of extra firm tofu. I'm wrapping it up in a paper towel, and I'm going to place a cast iron skillet on top of it. Anything heavy would do. This is just so it can drain the water. I'm going to leave it on here for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm dicing up half a green pepper, half a red pepper, and half a yellow onion. I'm adding a little bit of oil to a pan, and now I'm going to sauté the onions and peppers. Once the peppers and onions were halfway through cooking, I added some baby bella mushrooms, and I added a little bit of garlic powder and black pepper to it. I'm going to let that cook until the mushrooms cook down. Once everything was done, I turned off the flame and added 4 cloves of minced garlic. Now I'm just chopping up the tofu into little blocks. I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder and black pepper, and I'm gently massaging it through so it can get on all sides. I added a little bit of oil to the pan, and now I'm going to cook the tofu on each side until it's golden brown. Now I'm adding the tofu and the potatoes into the onion and pepper mixture, and I'm drizzling on some of this teriyaki sauce that I got from Target. So that is it for today's video. This is all that I had to eat today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you make any of these recipes, feel free to tag me at NomNomToFitness on Twitter and Instagram. See you next time.